start today. We are going to start graphical transformation. Like very interesting topic it is. Here I am considering a to be positive for the first number, where y equal to f of x minus a. We have to transfer it to the graph. Shift the graph of y equal to f of x. We will be having the general graph y equal to f of x, and we need to shift that graph. We need to shift that graph towards something, towards some directions, to get the graph of y equal to f of x minus a. Towards right by a unit. Now these things you have already done. These are the things you have already done. Let's see how. By taking the basic example, you can see y equal to mod x is there. Y equal to mod of x minus 3 is required, where 3 is a positive number. 3 is positive. X minus 3 I have written, 3 is positive, a is positive. So you already know the graph of this function. So that means shift the graph by 3 units towards right direction. This point will be 3, 0. Number 2, y equal to f of x plus a. Shift the graph of, first you have to draw the graph of y equal to f of x. Shift the graph of towards left by a unit. Toward left by a units. This also we know. Y equal to x. This you know, y equal to x. So y equal to x minus 3 is this graph. Very simple. These are the graphs you already know. Y equal to f of x plus a. A is positive here. Direct change in y you are getting. So shift the graph towards upward direction. Shift the graph y equal to fx towards upward by a unit. So these are the examples we have already done, so we can understand it in a very nice way. I hope so. Y equal to x plus 2 is required. So the graph is this one only. Just direct change in there. 0, 2 this point will be. Number 4. Y equal to f of x minus a is there. To shift the graph y equal to f of x towards downward direction by a unit. Example, y equal to x is this, y equal to x minus 1 is required. So it is simple. This is y equal to x, this is y equal to x minus x. Just hold the graph and shift it by 1 unit in a downward direction. That's all. Write all these 4 points nicely. Fatafat likho. Write these 4 points fatafat. After writing these 4 points, we will continue. Number 4, let's move to number 4 point. Fourth point, let's move towards the fourth point. See, here the graph is required graph is y equal to f of minus x. That means x is replaced by minus x. So what do you have to do? Draw the graph of y equal to f of x. First you have to draw the graph of y equal to f of x. Then what you have to do? Take the then take the image of the graph. Then take the image of this graph about, try to understand, about y-axis. Then take the image of this graph about y-axis and then erase the original graph. And then erase the original graph. This is the concept. Let's have some examples. Suppose y equal to sin x is there. This is the graph of y equal to sin x. Now we have to find the graph of y equal to sine of minus x. Like x is transferred to minus x. Like each and like every x is replaced by minus x. Which is a function of minus x only. What you have to do, take the image of this graph about y-axis. So what graph you will get? So if you take the image, what graph you will get? If you take the image, this part, you're getting this part. So ऐसा कुछ image आएगा क्या? See, just observe it. Will you get the image somewhat like this? After taking image, the blue color graph should be removed. So you will get this red color graph. This is the funda. Are you getting my point? Let's have some different example. So y equal to ln x graph is this one. Y equal to ln x graph. Let me draw. Now you have to draw the graph of ln of minus x. What do you have to do? So just take the image of the graph of this about y-axis. So you will get this one. And then erase the original graph. After taking the image of this part about y-axis, you have to erase the original graph. So you will get this one only. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Please tell me. Yes, mirror image about x-axis and y-axis we are talking about. Here it is fifth point. Okay, make it fifth then. If it is fifth, then make it fifth. Not an issue. Point number 6. Point number 6, y equal to minus of f of x. So here what we were doing actually x was replaced by minus x. And here if you observe nicely, it is nothing but y is replaced by, see, original graph is y, this one. Original graph is this one. If y is replaced by minus y, what you will get? Sir, minus y equal to f of x. If you simplify it, you can write y equal to minus f of x. These two are equivalent or not? These two are equivalent. So minus y equal to f of x or y equal to minus f of x, these are both are equivalent only. So basically what we are going to study here, in this graph, we will be learning like that, y is replaced by minus y. So whenever y is replaced by minus y, how to remember the trick? So y equal to minus f of x. First draw. It is also similar to point number 5 only. First draw y equal to f of x. Take the image of the complete graph. Then take the image of this graph. Take the image. Then take the image of this graph about. Take the image of this graph about x-axis. And then erase the original graph. So is it not similar to point number 5? Here we are taking about y-axis, here we are taking about x-axis. That's all. And nothing else, Here I am taking the example of, C, y equal to ln x, we already know. The graph is this one. Anyone ask you to draw the graph of y equal to minus ln x. Take the image of this graph about x-axis. If you take the image, you will get this one only. And then erase the graph. And then erase the original graph. You will get this one. Is it clear to you? Yes or no? Y equal to, suppose, y equal to x square minus x. What is the graph? The roots are 0, 1. Upward parabola. This is the graph. So if anyone asks you to draw the graph of minus of x square minus x, so it's a downward parabola. The roots are this one only. Roots are same. This is downward parabola. You are replacing y by minus y. So indirectly it is nothing but f of y equal to minus of f of x. Is it clear to you? Similarly, you can have any example like y equal to f of x, mod of x. This is the graph. So if anyone asks you to directly, this is f of x is what? Mod x. So y equal to minus of mod x is what? So just take the image of this graph about x-axis. You will get this graph only. Is it clear to you, beta? Yes only. Let's see. Y equal to cos of x. So this is the graph only. If anyone asks you to find the graph of y equal to minus of cos of x, Take the whole image of the whole graph about x-axis. See, is it clear or not? Any doubt in these points, you can ask. Raise your hand. Yes, ready? Tell me.
Sir, for sin x, both 5 and 6 cases will be same, no, sir?
Yeah, obviously, because that's why I've not taken the example, because it's very obvious. Because you know, sine.
Sin and cos both, sir.
No, cos is not both. See, y equal to sin x. If I replace x by minus x, so you are getting y equal to sine of minus x. And if you're replacing y by minus y, you are getting minus of sin x. You know that y equal to minus of sin x. And this sine minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So obviously this both graph will be same, because equation wise this will be same only. So graph will also be same. So if you take both the way, you will get the same graph only.
Yes, sir.
But in cos it is not like that.
Only for the sine function it will be same, sir.
There are many functions. There can be many functions. For all odd functions, it will be like this. For all odd functions, now what is odd? I am not going into it. I will be explaining odd function. After that, I will be going into that. So now,
Okay, sir.
there can be many functions in which this can happen.
Sir, in the fifth point, could you please explain that how you transform sine minus x, sir?
Malika Arjun, invertible is not required now. Invertible means inverse function. We will be dealing with inverse function. Then I will be explaining. Right now, just explain what is inverse. It is not useful, I guess, in the class. Senthur, Mr. Senthur, you
Yes.
5 number. Just take the image of the graph about y-axis. If you take the image of this graph about y-axis, what type? Mirror image.
Okay.
Mirror image कैसे लोगे भाई? Mirror image. How to take the mirror image? Suppose green color is the mirror image. So this part I am taking the mirror image. This one.
Okay, sir.
The mirror image of this part is this one, and the mirror image of this part is this one only.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the mirror image of this part is what? This one. So your green color is the mirror image you are getting, and
Okay.
green color is the mirror image about y-axis. So after getting the mirror image, you should remove the blue color part and erase the original graph. So on erasing original graph, you will get this one only.
Yes. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Like because sine and like many waves, sir. Like I got confused, sir.
Don't get confused, please. And you have to remember this point. By taking example, it is and making it easier. Otherwise, you have to remember the points.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Mr. Vena.
Sir, the graph of y is equal to cos x and y is equal to cos of minus x will be same, no, sir?
Yeah, that's why cos x and cos of minus x same. So if you take the image about, if you take the, see, this is the graph of cos x. So if you take the image about x axis, if you take the image about y axis, you will get same only.
Yes.
That's why cos x and cos minus. So these are the examples you can relate with the graph, because we already know, so cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the very basic concept of trigonometry.
Yes,
Cos
sir.
minus x equal to cos x. And from the graph also, if you are applying the property number 5, this property number 5, then you will get the same graph, because cos x graph is symmetric about the y-axis. So if you take the image, then also you will get the same graph.
Okay, sir.
Next. So it is point number 6, 7. Let's go to the point number 7. सेवन में आ जाते बेटा. Y equal to f of x mod of f of x. Actually, you have drawn it several times, but let's discuss it nicely in a broader version. So you want to write first? Okay, write it first. Write it first. Because while writing, you may get some doubts, and those doubts should be clarified. Okay. Let's see. One minute. Write it fast. Yeah. So point number 7, let's try to understand point number 7. Let's try to understand point in 7. See, beta, point number 7 is what? Y equal to mode of f of x. We are putting mode over f of x. And actually, this function you have done several times, but let's understand in a nicer version. First draw y equal to f of x. First draw y equal to f of x. Okay? So first draw the graph of y equal to f of x. Then take the image of the function. Take the image of the part of the graph presenting negative. Take the image of the part of the graph presenting negative y direction. First draw y equal to f of x, then take the image of the part of the graph presenting negative y direction about x-axis towards positive y direction, and then erase the negative y part, original negative y part. I am repeating it. I repeat the statement. Then take the image of the part of the graph present in negative y direction. If there is any part which is present in negative y direction, you have to take the image of this about x-axis towards positive direction, and then erase that negative part, because it's very logical. Mode of y is equal to mode of fx. Mode is always positive. So if there is a graph y equal to mode of fx, there should not be anything present in the negative y direction in the final graph. Let's have an example. So y equal to x. Y equal to mod x, you already know how to draw. See, the statement I am drawing here, step 1 is what? Y equal to x I am drawing. What is y equal to x? Sir, this is the y equal to x graph. Step 2 is what? So you have to take the image of this part of the graph which is present in negative y direction. That means you have to take the image of the part of the graph which is present in negative direction. You will get this one. Now you have to remove this part. So step 3, remove this part. So you will get what? This V-shaped curve, which you already know. Let me have another example. Y equal to mode of ln x. Step 1 is what? Draw the graph of y equal to ln x. You already know, draw the graph of y equal to ln x. Step 1, this is step 1. Step 2 is what? Take the image of the part which is present in negative y direction. This is present in negative y direction. You have to take the image of this part only. So if you are considering this as mirror, अब ध्यान से देखो. If you are considering this as mirror, suppose, what image you will get of this graph? This image you will get or not? So obviously you will get this image. So that means, and the second and the last step, what you have to do? You have to remove this part. And इसको हम लिख लेते हैं. So I am drawing the image, I am drawing the graph directly here. The final graph will be like this only. There is nothing in the final graph. Nothing should be present in the final graph. Nothing should be present in the negative y direction. This is the final graph of y go to ln of mod x, mod of ln x. Let's say, can we take one more example? Yes, sir, definitely. Y equal to sine of mod of sine x. The graph of sine x is what? This is the graph of sine x. Now you have to take mod over it. This is the step 1. Step 2 is what? You have to take mod over it. You have to take mod over this function. That means whatever there is in a downward part, you have to take mod over this. So whatever there is in downward part, it will be taken image. So ये part इधर आ जाएगा. It will be taken image. You can check it out. This will be the image. This will be the image. And then you have to remove this part. So the graph, final graph, you will get like this or not? Yes or no? Can you feel it? So it's very obvious. Yes, we are getting it. Any doubt? Raise your hand now only. Because I will not entertain the same thing again later on. If you are having doubt, you can ask me later, now only. The same things cannot be entertained again and again.
Sorry, sir, I didn't know it was on.
Done? So these are the examples of taken point number 7. Point number 8, let me write point number 8. Any doubt in point number 7, you can check it out. Just go through it once. I'm giving you 2-minute times. I'm giving you 2-minute time. Just go through point number 7, everyone. Very nicely go point number 7 and check whether you are having doubt or not. What step I have followed, you have to follow the steps only. Let's see then. No doubt, I guess. No one has raised the hand. Very good. Everyone has written also. Point number 8. Point number 8, I am moving towards point number 8. Y equal to f of mod x. What is the differentiate? We are putting mod over single x, right? First draw y equal to fx. Erase the part of the graph. Erase the part of the graph. It is the part of the graph present, if any, in the negative x direction. Then take the image of the remaining positive or the remaining part, the remaining graph present in positive x direction about y-axis towards negative x direction. Read out the statement, everyone. Okay? First, you have to draw the graph y equal to x, y equal to f of x. Erase any negative part, any negative x part. If there is any negative x part, erase it. Then take the image of the positive part present in x direction. Project positive x part about y-axis. About y-axis is the important statement. About y-axis is the important. I have already underlined this term. About y-axis. About y-axis towards negative y direction, towards negative x direction. What does it mean? Let's have an example. Let's have an example nicely so that you will get to know. See, if I want to say it is nothing but, suppose I want to draw the graph of y equal to sine of mod x. First step is what? Step 1 is what? Y equal to sine x. ठीक है, बना लो भाई. This is the step 1. This is the step 1. Step 2, I am writing this in shortcut. Erase. Is there any negative x part? Is there present? Is there any negative x part present? Yes, sir, it is present. So erase that negative part. If it is any negative part is present, you have to erase. So after erasing, what you will get? Can you tell me? After erasing, we are getting what? This part is the negative x part. So after erasing, we are getting this only. Right? After erasing. Number 3 step is what? Now, after erasing, is there any part left? Yes, sir. In the positive x direction, there is one graph left. You have to take the image. I am writing the keywords only. So you have to take the image of this part of the graph about y-axis in the negative y direction, in the negative x direction. So what graph you will get? If you take the image of this part, what we have drawn just now, about y-axis in a negative x direction, what you will get? So this graph you will get. Yes or no? So this is the graph of final graph of y equal to, this is the final graph of y equal to sine of mod x. Is it clear or not? So yes, sir, clear only. Let me have another example. So y equal to ln of mod x. Step 1. Draw the graph of y equal to ln x. This is the graph of y equal to ln x. Step 2. Step 2. Is there anything present in negative x direction? So no, there is nothing present. So what to remove? You can remove nothing because there is nothing is present. जब कुछ है ही नहीं तो मिटाओगे क्या? If there is nothing, no graph is present, then how can you remove? The third step, I am moving to the direct third step. Then direct remove. There is nothing to remove, so directly I am taking the image on. But image तो ले सकते हैं ना? There is something present in the y direction, positive y part. So there is nothing to remove, but the third step you have to take. This is the graph present. So you have to take the image of the graph along about y-axis towards negative x direction. Because whatever you put, if you are putting -5, if you are putting ln 1, you are getting 0. If you are putting ln -1, if you are putting -1 over it, this mode will make it 1 and ln 1 is 0 only. So if you are putting -1 also, then also you are getting 0. If you are putting 1 also, the graphs are symmetric about. So if there is a function of f of mod x, the graph must be symmetric about y-axis. This is the final graph. I hope you have understood. Have you understood the point number 7? Yes or no? Point number 8 or 7? 8. Raise your hand. Those who have not understood, please raise your hand. Raising your hand and asking your doubt is the best option you can do. If you are hesitating to ask me the doubt in online mode, then just think in the offline mode in the college itself. How can you ever ask me the doubt? Next, point number 9. Here I am writing point number 9. Point number 9, see. Now to draw the graph of y equal to mode of y. Now a mode is placed over y only. Single y के ऊपर mode लग गया भाई साहब. So mode y is equal to f of x. Method is what? First draw similar things. First draw y equal to f x. ठीक है ना? Erase the part of the graph. Whatever we are doing in terms of x-axis, here we will be doing everything in terms of y. Erase the point number 8 and 9 are similar. Erase the part of the graph. Present in negative y direction, if any. Present में जरूरी नहीं है कि there must be some graph. If there is no graph, then how can you remove anything? So if any I am writing, erase the part of the graph present, if any, in negative y direction. Then take the image of the, of the remaining graph in positive y direction, about x-axis. Here the keyword is about x-axis, towards negative y direction. Point number 7 and 8 is similar. Point number 8 and 9 is similar. You can see. First, you have to erase. Let me take an example from which you will better understand. Here I am taking the example. It's a simple example I am taking. Y equal to mode y equal to x. Have you ever thought of this graph? Step 1. Y equal to x I am drawing. So yes, y equal to x we have drawn several times. Whatever there is present in the negative y part, you have to remove. Step 2 is remove. Remove or erase. Keyword is erase. So erase the negative y part. So after erasing, what is left here? So only this will be left. Step 3, image. Whatever there is left in positive y part, you just need to take the image of that part in this part. This is the graph of y equal to. This is the final graph of mode y equal to x. Like y equal to mode x is a V-shaped curve in vertical direction. Here it is a V-shaped curve in horizontal direction. Mode y is equal to x. Have you understood? Let me have an example. Let me have a different example from which you will get the better idea. suppose I am taking mod y equal to sin x. इसमें लड्डू आएगा, देखो कैसे. Mod y. First step is what? We have to draw the basic function y equal to sin x. We know this one. हमें ये पता है. Let me draw it. Okay. Let me draw the graphs. Okay. So already we know the graph of sin x. That's very simple, sir. Is it not the graph of sin x? So yes, it is. First step is done. Second step is remove. Erase the negative y part. After erasing the negative y, what is negative y part? This is negative y part. If you see here, this is negative y part. This is negative y part. You have to erase this part. So after erasing, what you will get? Better tell me. After erasing, you are getting this part only. Is it correct or not correct? This is the part we are getting after erasing. Now you have to take the image of the remaining part present. Step 3 is what? Whatever is this present in the positive y direction, you have to take the image of that part in the negative y direction. So after taking the image, you will get this one only. Laddu aaya? After taking the image, you are getting this one only. Correct? This point you can definitely write, sir, we have the basic knowledge of, and goes on. This graph will go on, obviously. So this is the graph of y equal to mod y equal to sin x. Have you understood the steps? What steps I am taking? Write down point number 9. Check any doubt is there, point number 9. There is no doubt in this part, right? Very good. Next point number 9 done. Point number 9 done. Let's move to the point number 10, which we have already done sometimes, some days back, but I am writing it now directly. Point number 10 I am writing, okay? See better. Suppose here I am considering here, say a is greater than 1, to get rid of the confusions. I am assuming a to be greater than 1. Okay, beta? So what I am going to do is, see here, the function is y equal to fx. So whenever x is replaced by, suppose when x is replaced by ax, replaced by a is greater than 1, this is I have already assumed. When x is replaced by ax, then that is y equal to f of x, ax. Graph will be compressed, graph will be compressed horizontally. Graph will be compressed in x direction or horizontally. Right? So that means what I am doing, wherever you are writing f of ax, x has been written as x has been replaced by ax, where a is greater than 1. The graph will be compressed horizontally. You already can have example. We already have had some example in the earlier days. Let's see example. Y equal to sin x graph, you know. Yes, y equal to sin x is the graph, you know. Basic function, sir. This point was what? Sir, pi 2 pi minus pi 0. Now, if anyone asks you to draw the graph of y equal to sine of 2x, here x is replaced by 2x. You already know that each and every point will be divided by 2. So the graph is compressed or elongated? So it is compressed, obviously, sir. It's like this only. Is it compressed or not? Yes, sir. This point has become pi by 2. Earlier this point was pi by 2. Now this is like this only. This we have already checked. This was 2 pi, so it will become pi. This is the transformation, horizontally compression. And if a is less than 1 here, similarly, vice versa, I am writing if a is less than 1, then you will get elongated graph. You will get expanded graph, right or not? If a is less than 1, expanded, vice versa. Suppose next question I am writing, next part I am writing. Similarly, same thing, see. When y is replaced by, effect you just try to understand, when y is replaced by ay, graph will be compressed vertically. It is also very obvious. Graph will be compressed vertically. Graph will be compressed vertically. How, sir? Let's have an example to understand this one. So f of, so basically see, what new graph will be what? Ay, what we are doing actually here? Ay is equal to f of x. So basically y is equal to 1 by a into f of x. Is it not the transformation? So let's have an example. Let's have an example. Earlier the graph was sin x. Now we have to require this graph sin x is what? This one. What is the maximum value for 1? What is the minimum value for minus 1? Very easy. Maximum value and minimum value is minus 1 and 1. Correct or not correct? Sorry, yes, correct only. Should I draw it nicely? Okay, let me draw it nicely. ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ होता है. This value is 1, minus 1, 0. ठीक है. And whenever you require to draw the graph of 2y equal to sin x, y is replaced by this 2y. So y is basically what? Sin x by 2. So the amplitude has been half times. What is the maximum value of this part? Final estimate value of minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 is divided by 2. So the maximum value will be half and the minimum value will be minus half. So the graph you will get, the next graph you are getting like this. Half times compressed. So मैं graph बना देता हूँ. The green color graph you will get. It's compressed in y direction, not in x direction. It's compressed. The amplitude has been reduced. The amplitude has been reduced. Like this, it's becoming. This is the green color graph, if you observe it nicely. Are you understanding? And if similarly, if a is less than 1, if a is positive only, if a is less than 1, then vice versa. Similarly in the above graphs, in the above transformations, if a is positive and less than 1, if a is, I am taking positive only, and less than 1, graph will be expanded respectively. Graphs will be expanded respectively in their own in their direction of horizontal or vertical, whatever direction you were taking. So I'm writing respectively. I hope it is clear to you. Is it yes or no? Yes or no, you have to tell me. So these are the points you should remember while doing any question, any transformation question on the graph. Okay, beta? Let's have some basic examples. Let's start doing some questions. I'm giving you questions, you just do by yourself. आप लोग फटाफट करोगे, ठीक है ना? Y equal to ln of. You try yourself and leave the space. I will be saying you what to do, how to do. These three graphs I have given, suppose. Go through these three graphs, please, everyone. Okay, I'm repeating. So I'm starting with the graphs. First number. So it's very easy. Step 1. Y equal to ln of x you can start with, or you can start with directly. Okay, fine. Ln of x I'm starting with. So it is the graph of ln of x. Step 2. So y equal to ln of mod x. You can put outside mode first also. It's your choice in what way you are moving. So you have to take the image about y-axis. You will get this one only. Step 3. You have to put mode over the complete function. This function. Whatever there is in the downward part, you have to take the image and then remove the downward part. So you will get the graph like this. You will get these graphs. ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ आ जाएगा. It is 1, it is -1. Correct only. Let's try to do this part. Step 1. Y equal to sin x. We know, sir. Y equal to sin x is this one only. Step 2. Y equal to sir पहले mode लगा लेते. चलो पहले mode लगा. It's your choice only. So after putting mode, you will get this graph. Just in the example also we have seen. In the examples also we have seen this graph, right? Now you have to put step 3. Step 3 is what? Put minus over the function. That is, you are replacing y by minus y basically. So y by minus y, that means take the image of the complete function about x-axis. So taking the complete function of about x-axis, you will get like this only. Like this, right? This is the graph of the sine function. This is the graph of the complete resultant function. I hope you are getting my points. Is it clear to you? Next point number 3. Question number 3. See, tan inverse. Do we know the graph of tan inverse? Yes, sir. Definitely we know. What is it? Tan inverse x. Yesterday I told you that you have to remember the graphs. You have to remember all the graph. So it is a graph of tan inverse x. It is never touching this dotted line. The dotted line is at what point? Pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Correct? Step number 2 will be what, sir? You can put mode here also, or you can put mode over x also. It's your choice. Suppose I am putting mode over x. So on putting mode over x, you are getting, sir, whatever there is in the left hand side, it will be removed. And whatever there is in the right hand side, it will be taken image of. It will be taken image of. So you are getting like this one. Agar it's already positive. So step 3 is what? It's already a positive function. So if you are putting mode over this part, there is nothing in the line, there is nothing below in the negative y part. So what to remove and what to take an image of? There is nothing. So you will get the graph same only. There is no change in the step number 2 and step number 3. There is no transformation in the step number 2 and step number 3. You will get the same graph only. correct? Step number 4 is what? You have to put a minus sign over here in the front. That means y is replaced by minus y. You have to take the complete graph image you have to take about x-axis. So you will get like this graph. The final graph is you are getting like this. This point is what? It will become minus pi by 2, x-axis, y-axis. So this is the resulting graph. Everyone is getting that it, yes or no? Tell me. Any doubt you can respond. Number 4, let me explain, then I will give you time to write, note it down and visualize the things. Number 4 I am drawing. Step 1 beta. Y equal to, I am starting with let's minus x. This is the basic function, it's a decreasing function. Yesterday we did. Step 2, y equal to minus of e to the power minus x. Take the image of the complete function about x-axis, you will get this one only. Next, you have to put a minus sign over here. You have already done. You have to do plus 2. Plus 2, step 3. Minus e to the power minus x plus 3. Plus 2 or plus 3? Plus 2. Just hold the graph and shift it by 2 units towards upward direction. Hold the graph and shift it by 2 units towards upward direction. What graph you will get? Can you tell me? Yes, sir, definitely. So here is a line which is never touching this line. The line is suppose moved it here only. Make it a dotted line. This line is what? Y equal to 2 only. This is 0. So the graph will cut at what point? You just check it out. I'm drawing it with red color graph. It is like this graph only. At what point? If you put x equal to 0, you are getting what? Can you tell me? So 2 minus 1, it is 1 only. 0, 1 I can say. What is this point? Can you tell me? What is this point? So if you put, what you need to put to get y is 0? What you need to put to get y is 0? So just equate it to 0 only. So e to the power minus x. So I am getting the point. To get this point, I am equating this is equal to 0. So it is nothing but e to the power minus x equal to 2. Putting ln on both sides, you are getting minus x equal to ln 2. So x equal to minus of ln 2. Just check it out. So putting ln equal to minus 2, whatever you are getting, that is the answer. Putting ln is x is minus ln 2. Yeah, this point is nothing but minus ln 2 comma 0. Correct? Okay, fine. We have got this one. What is our step number 4? Step number 4 will be there. You have to put mode over it. You have to put mode over it. On putting mode over this part, what you will get? Step number 4. Putting mode over this 2 minus e to the power minus x, you are putting. That means whatever there is in the denominator, whatever there is in the negative y part, it will be taken image of. It will be taken image of. Correct or not? Yes, sir. Correct only. Let me tell you how I am going to take the image. You just get the idea. So after taking the image, what type of graph you will get? See. So I'm drawing here it. So here this part is taken image like this. Image logo this हो जाएगा, है ना? So this is the graph of the required function. Final function is this one only. This is the final function. Just check it out if you understood or not. Check out all the graphs. Doubt? Raise your hand. Look, let's see the graph. So already we have one condition or one knowledge we already do have that, sir, it's very basic thing. X square can be written as mod x square. This property of mod already we know. So x square is nothing but mod x square only. That means you have to draw the function of mod x square minus 5 mod x. That means each and every x is replaced by mod x only. It is the, you have to be, otherwise you have to make cases and it will be a very lengthy one. So since it is given as x square, so x square can be written as mod x square. So first I will try to do what, step 1. I will try to draw the graph of this function. And after that, I will be replacing x by mod x. That means it's a function f of x. And now after that, we will be replacing by f of mod x. Okay, fine. So let's take this first thing. What is f of x? This is upward parabola. The roots are 2, 3. So it's upward parabola and the roots are 2, 3 only. That is correct. Correct, sir. So the roots are 2, 3. This is 2. And this is 3. Let it be 3. It is a parabola whose roots are 2, 3. It is like this only. 2, 3. Okay. So that means now you have to take step 2. I am writing here directly step 2. Step 2 is what? You just need to replace each and every x by mod x. Each and every x by mod x. So that means what? Property f is function of mod f of mod x only. So the final graph you will get, what type of graph you will get? See, easy only. तो कुछ नहीं, इसी को बना दो. Here I am writing like this. You are getting like this graph, right? It's 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3. If you put 0 here, 0, 6 you are getting. So this is the graph you will get. I hope it is clear to you. For the, it is a kind of linear function because there is only x is involved here. So let's start from the inside part. Let's start from the inside part. Y equal to box, y equal to mod of x is very easy to draw. Let's start with y equal to minus of mod of x. Let's reduce one step. This function you already know. This is the graph. Y equal to minus mod of x plus 2. Shift the graph by 2 units upward. On shifting 2 units upward, you can find a point. So yes, definitely we can find a point. What point you will get? Can you tell me? So this point will be what? Minus 2, 0, 0, 2, and this 0, 2, 2, 0. Very basic. Number 3, you have to put mod over it. You have to put mod over it. 2 minus mod x, you have to put mod over it. So whenever you are putting mod over it, what you will get? Can you tell me? So yes, there is negative part will be take an image and it will be moved like this. This is minus 2, 0. Right? Correct only. Next, you have to put minus over this sign. Step 4 is what? You have to put minus in the front. Step 4 I am writing. Y equal to minus I am writing in the front. What type of graph you will get? So similar graph only. Just take an image of in the negative direction. Correct again. So yes, this is the graph we are going to get. Everything will remain same only. Now what you have to do? Can you tell me? This point is 0, minus 2. So next step is what? Step 5. You have to put plus 3. That means hold the graph and shift it by 3 units upward direction, in upward direction. So I am writing here, it is nothing but this was the original graph. Now we are adding 3 to it. So hold the graph and shift it towards upward direction. So what you will get? This point was 0, minus 2. Now this point will become what? 0, 1 only. This point will become 0, 1. This point will become 0, 1. We have shifted this graph. So each and every point you have to write basically. This point is 2, 3, minus 2, 3, and this point is 0, minus 2 it was. So it is 0, 1. What about this point? If you solve, if you equate it with 0, you will get 5, 0 and minus 5, 0. You can solve it out. No, we have to find each and every point. It is a good habit of finding points in the stepwise. Now the last step is 6th step. There is y equal to, what you have to do? Minus, there is 3 I am writing in the front. 3, 2, this, and put a mod over it. So if you put mod over it, you will get what? Whatever there is in the negative y part, it will be taken image of. ठीक है भाई, कर देंगे, कोई खास बड़ी बात नहीं है. This you are getting ultimately. This is the final graph, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 3, 5, 0, minus 5, 0. Go through the steps. Any doubt you can ask? How many have got it correct? Just don't raise your hand, just drop the message in the chat box. How many have got it correct? Good, good, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. So many have got it correct only. Very good. Let's do the last one. Have you completed the last one? Sardul. Sardul is also name of the student. Okay. Sabinik Saha, little wrong. So have you got the doubt? Is there, have you got any doubt? Or it's already been cleared? Let's do the last one. 7th one, not last one. 7th one. So let's start with the step. How you're starting with, sir? अब आप यहाँ पे ऐसे start नहीं कर सकते, sir. ln, you should not start like this, sir. ln mod x you're starting and then plus 2 you're putting. No, you cannot start with this. You have to start with some order. That order I am writing, you should understand it. Why go to ln of x plus 2 I am starting? The critical point concept. So earlier the critical point was what? This got the point number 2 only. The graph of ln x will be shifted towards left by 2 units. Right? Let me draw it. This earlier the line was y-axis. Now this line will become this one. On putting x equal to -1, you are getting 0. You can see the complete graph of ln x is shifted towards left by 2 units. So this is -1, 0. If you put -1, ln 1 you are getting 0. And this is what? If you put 0, you are getting ln 2. This is not required, right? This is the graph of this one. Now step 2 is what? Step 2 I am writing in here only. Now you should put mod over x. So whatever there is in right hand side, that will be taken image, and whatever there is the negative x part, that will be erased. So here I am drawing. Just try to understand this part, beta. Just try to understand this part. Here, see. यहाँ से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. So what you will get, see, this part will be erased. Let me draw the part then. Sir, only this part will be taken image. Correct or not? Then this point will be what? 0, ln 2. Is it understood or not? Yes, sir, I'm very much understood. It will be image, okay, symmetrical only. Now you have to put mod over this. Is there anything in the negative y direction? So there is nothing present. So if there is nothing present, we no need to erase anything. Just put mod over single y. So if you're putting mod over single y, whatever there is present in the positive y part, you have to take image that part in the negative y direction also. This is the final graph. Everyone has got this one? Correct? Correct now, beta? Good. Chalo. Let's move forward then. If no doubt, let's move forward. And if there's any doubt, raise your hand fast. Eight number I am writing here. y equal to minus of box of minus x. Can you draw this one? Just try it fast. Just try it fast, better, without wasting time. Try this question fast. So many of you have completed. Let's check it out. Let's see. Stepwise I am doing. Sir, which graph you know? Y equal to box of x. By y equal to box of x, we know. Y equal to box of x. भाई ये तो पता ही है हमें. What graph it is? It is like this graph. This graph you know. Now step 2 I am writing y equal to minus of x. That means here y is also replaced by minus y and x is also replaced by minus x. So what changes you can see here? So when x is replaced by minus x, the graph will be taken image about y-axis. The complete graph will be taken image about y-axis. So if you take the image, what you will get? Can you tell me? So yes, this graph like this you will get. Am I right or wrong? Please tell me. Are you doing the same thing? Yes, sir. So basically the graph you are getting like this. Image loge to kya aega? About x, y-axis I am taking image. Definitely you are getting this parts. Definitely you are getting this line, this only. Now the third step, we have to replace y by minus y. That is what? Y equal to minus of. The third step is what? Replace y by minus y. So third step is what? Replace y by minus y. So beta y को जब minus y से replace करते हो, then what is the condition? What is the truth you should remember? Take the image of the graph about x-axis only. Take the image of the graph about x-axis. Let's do it. So if you are taking the image of this function, what you will get? See, ये तो ऐसे ही आएगा. And if you are taking the image of this part about x-axis, you will get like here only. Right or wrong? So जो original graph था, it's similar to like that only, but somewhat different. The difference you can see here. The hollow circle is forming in the left hand side. Are you getting this function? This is the required function. Okay, very good. Correct only? Any doubt you can ask? Yes, Mr. Senthil Kumar. Tell
Sir,
me.
the step 3 I did not understand for this, sir.
So you just need to understand the 10 points only. Step 2 is what? Replace x by minus x. So that means complete take the image of the image of the complete graph about y-axis. I have taken here. Now it is nothing but after the step number 2, we have to move to step number 3. That means
Like
take
again,
the image of the graph, take the image of the complete graph about x-axis. Now about x-axis I am taking. This part will be moved here. This part will be moved here. This part will be moved here. Understood?
understood, sir.
Any more doubts? Yeah, today we will be discussing only graphs only. Tomorrow there are two topics, odd even function and periodicity. So in this week, what is the syllabus? Complete property of triangle, that is your responsibility to revise it down. Complete property of triangle, you have to revise it. How you are revising, it's your responsibility. Okay, in the study hour, in any time, you have to revise the notes, the questions, whatever you are revising, you have to revise it. And periodicity, that we did in trigonometry, periodicity part, you have to revise it today only. In your study hour, you have to revise, definitely you must revise periodicity. Because tomorrow I am not going to explain the complete periodicity. Some question only I am going to explain. Are you getting my point? So tomorrow I will be discussing only even odd function and questions on periodicity. Right? You have to revise the complete periodic functions by your own from our previous classes. Yeah, I will be sending you the recording today's class. Are you getting this graph stuff or easy only? Okay, let's see question number 9. Let's check it out. Question number 9. medium. Exercise only one you should do. No, yesterday I told you exercise number 2. Domain. You have to, what are the syllabus? Domain, odd even function, graphs, and periodicity. These 4 topics are the syllabus of this week's syllabus. Range is not there. Range is the next week's syllabus. That's why I have not completed it. Okay. Yeah. So see this graph. Let's start with step number 1. Y equal to minus x or x only. Can I start with minus x? Because already we have drawn this one. Na? So I'm copying this graph and I'm just keeping it here. Why to do? वापस क्यों बनाना? So this is my graph of which one, beta? Y equal to minus x. Already we have drawn y equal to minus x. Now I have to put mod over x, single x. Now step 2 is what? Mod over single x. It's coming from here only. Okay, now step is put mod over single x. Okay, sir. Now here I am doing one simplification. I am doing. Let's see. 2 is the integer. So if it is integer, it can come out from the box part. Sir, yes, it is. It can. 2 plus I am writing minus of mod of x. Okay, this is equivalent to this only. So can you do the graph of this part? Yes. Or you can also move by 2 minus x, x minus. There are various ways basically. Whatever you are comfortable, you should do correctly that only. Mode. Mode means what? Single mode is there. On single x, there is mode. Mode is placed over x. What is there in the left hand side that should be removed, and whatever there is in the right hand side that should be taken image. But this point is there, so this point should be there only. This point is there, so we should be drawing this point. यहाँ तो है. Now let's see. Try to understand. तो ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा होगा क्या? Check it out. Am I right or wrong? Are you getting the points? Whatever graph is the right hand side, that will be taken image in the left hand side also. So you will get like this. You are getting like this one. Correct or not correct? You are getting the graph of y equal to minus of box of minus of mod x. This is the graph. Now you have to put what? Plus 2. Just hold the graph and shift it by 2 unit. Just hold the graph and shift it by 2 unit. Can't you shift it? So yes, we can shift it. कैसा ग्राफ आएगा देखो तो. Just hold the graph. Just hold this graph by shifting 2 unit. So you will get some graph. What step number 3 I am writing? Step number 3. So what you have to do in step number 3? Hold the graph and shift it by 2 unit in the upward side. So the graph you are getting like this. See, this is the graph I have copied here. So the graph is shifted. That means what? What type of graph you will get? See, you are getting like this graph only. This graph you will get. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Is it clear to you? Clear है ना ये? तो कुछ ऐसा सा ग्राफ आ जाएगा अपना. This is the graph we are going to get. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This what? 0.1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, -1. This is the graph you're getting. Everyone has got the clarity. This is never ending curve. ये आते रहेगा. Everyone has got the clarity on this question? Any doubt, you can raise your hand. Very good, very good. Chalo, let's move forward then. Let's move forward. See, next graph you should draw y equal to ln of bracket x. Bracket x, this type of question have you done? If not, just try to observe. कैसे करेंगे? Just think. Next question is y equal to minus of sine of x minus 2. Bracket. The bracket is the fractional part function. Bracket is the fractional part function. Again, I am repeating it. Try to do these questions by your own first. Try to do this question by your own. And if you are having doubt at any time, just by putting random points, you can check the graph whether you are getting the same nature, whether you are getting the correct nature or not. If any time you are having doubt, you can check by putting random points. Done. Let's see first. And today I will be giving some homework on in the study hour. By writing in the page, I will be sending the pic in your group. So just start doing those questions. You'll get better idea. So bracket x. See, bracket x is what is a repeating. It's a periodic function. You already know. Bracket x is a periodic function and the period is 1. After every interval of 1, you will get the same values. So we know the graph of ln x. We know the graph of ln x. Yes, sir, we know. So for every bracket function, you should be doing in the same manner. What is the graph of ln x? So what is the graph of ln x? We know. Yes, we know definitely. This is the graph of ln x. From 0 to 1, if you are putting from 0, you are getting minus infinity. If you are putting 1, you are getting this. ln1 is 0. So, and bracket x is a periodic function. So whatever you are getting, the range of bracket x is from 0 to 1. So if you are putting x as 2, 500, 501, whatever you are getting, the range of bracket x is 0 to 1. So ln x will get input as from 0 to 1 only. So basically, whatever you are doing, the graph will be repeating here. How? Just look at here. Just look at here. ये जो मैं ग्राफ बना रहा हूँ ना, so you are going to get like this graph you are getting. This is repeating in nature. Every time you will get the same type of things. I hope you are getting my point. And it is repeating in nature like this. It is repeating. Here I am making it open circle. Because bracket x will never give 1, so it is open circle. And these are what? Dotted lines. These are dotted lines only. Okay, here let's remove this part. Graph of ln of bracket x is this one only. It's a repeating function. So whatever you are getting from 0 to 1, this will be repeating in nature. Can you draw the graph of this one? Can you draw the graph of this one? Yes or no? Okay, fine. I'm giving this to you as homework. As we are having less time, I'm giving you this as homework. Try yourself. The hint I am giving is nothing but, sir, इसको मैं hint दे देता हूँ, कुछ नहीं है. Or see, it is nothing but minus of sine of. You know that there is no role of integers inside the bracket. So directly you can write this as bracket of x only. So can't you write the graph? Can't you draw the graph of sine of bracket x? Yes, sir. Can't you draw the graph of sine of bracket x? Yes, sir. Y equal to sine of bracket x. Whatever you are getting from 0 to 1, you will get, it will be repeated. Like this only. Make neat and clean. This value will be what? Sine 1. This value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. But you have to draw the graph of minus of sine of bracket x. So just take the image. Take the image about x-axis. Take the image about x-axis. You will get what type of graph you can see. Sir, कुछ नहीं ऐसा आएगा. This is what? Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is sine of minus sine of 1. Never ending graphs. Never ending graphs. Okay? Because it's a periodic function. Now let's try to draw this one. This is a good question. Let's try to do it. Let's start with the initial step, like the inside step. Here I am writing e to the power y equal to e to the power twice minus x. Let's start with the graph of e to the power minus x. What is the graph, sir? E to the power minus x. This is the graph only. Step 2 I am writing here only. E to the power minus x plus 2. You are doing plus 2. So graph will be shifted left or right. So since it is plus 2, the graph will be shifted towards left. And if you are a little bit confused, you can directly check the points. See, अगर यहाँ पे आप put करते हो 0, तो you are getting 1. And if you are putting here 0, sorry, right, हाँ. If you are putting 0, you are getting what? E square. E square is what? The graph is shifted towards right because it is minus x is there. So don't get confused. If sometime if in the middle of the graph, if you're confused, just putting by random value, you can check the transformation. So e to the minus x is this one, e to the minus x plus 2. The nature will remain same. Just hold the graph and shift by 2 units in the right hand side. So this point is what? See, this point is what? 0, 1 it was. This point is 0, e square. Obviously, the graph is shifted towards right. Up to this we have done. Now step number 3. Y equal to e to the power 2 minus x. This one is, I'm putting mode over single x. So if you're putting mode over single x, whatever you're getting in the positive side, that should be taken in the negative side also. You should have to take the image. So here I am drawing the graph. So I am creating this graph. कुछ ऐसा सा graph आएगा, rough diagram I am drawing. Suppose this is the graph. This point is 0, e square. Okay, I am getting this one. Next step is what? Y minus 2. Just hold the graph and shift towards negative y direction downward by 2 units. So step 4 I am writing here. You just observe it. Minus 2. Just hold the graph. This point is e square. E square is 2.7 into 2.7. It's around 7 point something. 7 point something से अगर आप minus 2 करोगे तो थोड़ा ही तो नीचे जाएगा. Okay, fine. Let's do it. We are drawing since this is never touching x-axis, so here we are drawing a dotted line, which dotted line x y equal to minus 2, it will never touch that line. Y equal to minus 2. This point will become what? Now you can tell me. This point has become, sir, e square minus 2. And the graph I'm drawing is, it was similar to like, it is somewhat like this. It will never touch the line y equal to minus 2. Correct only. So now you need to put mode over this. Since you need to put mode over this, what type of function you are getting? So it is x-axis. So अगर जो नीचे है वो ऊपर आ जाएगा. So whatever there is in the negative y part, take image of that and then remove the negative pi part. So what you will get? Can you tell me? Yes, sir. Step 5 I am writing here. Step 5 I am writing here, beta. So step 5 I am getting like somewhat like this. मैं यहाँ पे rough diagram बना रहा हूँ. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. Here I am drawing the rough diagram only. So this is the dotted line. The dotted line will also be shifted. And this is some point is what? This is the point I am taking. 0, e square minus 2. The graph will be like this. This is the graph, right? Can you find this point? Yes, sir. If required, we can find those points, not an issue. How to find those points if I ask you? Equate it with 0. E to the power 2 minus x equal to 2. So 2 minus mod x equal to ln of 2. X is equal to 2 minus ln 2. So x equal to plus minus 2 minus ln 2. So anyone ask you to find a point? Yes, you can find 2 minus ln 2 comma 0. This is what? Minus. So ln 2 minus 2 comma 0. Is a negative point, is a positive point. Yes. Yes, sir, definitely. So here also I am writing ln 2 minus ln 2 comma 0. ln 2 minus 2 comma 0. Correct only. Now step 6 is what? Whatever there is in the positive part, you have to take the mode also. You have to take the mode y also. Last step I am writing here. Last step I am writing here. Last step I am writing here. Step number 6. Mode y is equal to 2 to the e to the power 2 minus mod x minus 2. Last step I am writing. See beta, everyone please try to focus. This is the graph. Now whatever there is in the left, right and upward direction, you have to take the image of that part, which you can definitely take. Yes or no? Sorry, yes, definitely. We can take the image, not an issue. तो अच्छे से ले लो image प्यार से. Somewhat like this you will get. Okay, sir. Let's draw with the dotted line. Make it a dotted line. It is again a dotted line. This line is what? Y equal to 2. This is minus 2. Now you need to draw the graph. Very similar graph you will get in the. See here also it should be similar only, but okay, fine. Graph diagram it is. We are not making the perfect diagram. We can't make. This is the graph you will get. 0, 2 minus e square. Correct or not? Correct only, sir. This is the final graph you will get. Have you understood this question? Yes or no? Yeah, very good. Sir, all good, correct. For last we will get. Yeah, you have understood now? Very good. Those who are having doubt, those you can please raise your hand. So these are the graphs. Tonight I will be giving in the study hour some questions. Just try those questions, okay? And periodicity you must revise. I am saying again, periodicity you must revise. Otherwise, tomorrow you will be facing problems. Yeah, those who are not having doubt, you can leave, please.